All right, let's talk a little bit about the 2020 Indian Scout Bobber. This one came with Pirelli MT60 RS tires. All right, now this is the front tire, and let's take a close look at it. All right, 5,500 miles later, it's actually not looking too bad. All right, now you can see that there are some of those little pricklies that stick out. I'll never get them worn off because the lean angle of this bike doesn't allow it. I pretty much tap out pretty quick. I start scraping pegs real easy. Anyway, 5,500 miles, here's what's on the front of this tire. The problem is, here's the rear of this tire. You know, where we have no lean angle at all, they're pretty deep, all right? And here, as you can see, I mean, I am just pretty much almost ready for a set of tires. Now, here's the thing that I don't understand about this, okay? These are adventure tires. These are dual sport tires, and this is a cruiser. So my question is, why did they choose to put these on a cruiser? All right, so this is what I have. I have a 2020 Indian Scout Bobber. As you can see, it is showing those Pirelli MT60 tires. You scroll up even more, Pirelli MT60 tires, Pirelli MT60 tires. All right, they are adventure. They are these tires right here from Pirelli. And what does it say? Look right here in the middle. On off-road. Well, this is a Scout Bobber that has 2 inches of travel in the rear suspension. This is definitely really just for street. Is it convenient to have a little bit of traction like that? Yeah, but you're also, I think, going to have a lot of premature wear with tires like this. They're good Pirellis. I'm starting to think that they put them on for the looks and really no other reason here. But clearly it says the MC60 are on off-road. This is not a cruising adventure bike. I don't think do they even make that? Anyway, it's a radial tire, light handling. It's a 77H is the rating on here for up to 900 and some pounds, which I'm not even going to get used to. And H means that it's good up to, I think, 135 miles an hour, which, to be quite honest with you, with the Scout Bobber, I get up to about 110 and I go, why am I doing this? And then I slow it right down. Anyway, so this is what it has. This is what I'm considering. I'm looking at these Michelin Commander 3 cruiser tires, all right, instead. Supposed to get a little bit more wear on them. That's one good thing. Good for dry, good for wet, and it's not going to be good for gravel or sand. But again, right now, when I go in the gravel or sand, that's maybe 1 to 2% of my travel with this bike. It's literally, if I'm turning around or I pull off the road into some grass, that's the only time. And I think any tire can handle that. I'm not going adventure riding with this. So again, I think that these were put on, these right here were put on specifically for the look. Now, when I went to the Pirelli website and I put in for an Indian Scout Bobber the 2018 to the 20 whatever, and it's here, it shows greater than 2018. So greater than 2018 would be 2019, 2020. So the Pirelli recommendation for Indian motorcycle is their Night Dragon, which is really more along the lines of those Michelin Commander 3s for the cruiser. So that's all I wanted to show you. It's just that you can see that, you know, 5,500 miles, that's a lot of wear on that tire. I have no complaints from a performance standpoint. The only time I've slid was after it rained and then it just dried up and I was going into a turn and hit one of those really thick white stripes that are painted. Those things are slick as hell, and my ass end slid out a little bit, about a foot or so. I was able to control the bike, and it was fine. But that's happened to me twice, but I think that's going to happen on any tire when you hit those thick paint lines. All right, so if you have the MT60, let me know what your thoughts are below. If you have the Michelin Commander 3s, let me know. If you have the recommendation, these Night Dragons from Pirelli, well, certainly let me know. I would love to know what your thoughts are on that. If you've already replaced the Indian Scout Bobber with those MT60s with something else, let me know. Or if you had something else and then went to the MT60, tell me why you did. All right, put some comments below. I'd appreciate some input. Thank you very much and have a great day. Rainbow out.